Yo, what's up? This your boy Derek Brett, Chef Strike Sports.com. In today's video, I just want to talk about the latest news concerning the Memphis Tigers men's basketball program. More particular with more particular with um, Mikey Williams, the four-star recruit that committed to the program for the class of 2023, supposed to join a core of new prospects that featured not Jane Hardaway, Ashton Hardaway, son of Penny Hardaway, Carl Sharon Friend, JJ Taylor. But, after what occurred in the last month, in March, with his arrest, it's just been, he pretty much hit a snag in his, you know, attempt to join his team, this roster for his upcoming season. So today it was reported that his hearing on the gun charges has been postponed for a third time, according to the story put out by Memphis Tigers basketball beat writer Jason Munns. Let's go ahead and read what was stated in the report. Mikey Williams' day in court has been reportedly delayed again. The Memphis basketball signee and former San Ysidro, California star guard doing in San Diego County Superior Court Tuesday for a preliminary hearing on felony gun charges. But according to the San Diego Union Tribune, his attorney, Troy P. Owens, asked for and was granted a continuance based on new information that has been released. Williams' new preliminary hearing is set for October 10th. It's the third time the preliminary hearing has been postponed. First two were set for June 29th and July 12th. Williams signed with the Tigers last November, but he was arrested in April following a shooting outside his San Diego area home in March. Williams, who pleaded not guilty, is facing 5 counts of assault with a firearm and 1 count of shooting an occupied vehicle. Law enforcement officials said the vehicle was hit by gunfire, but no one was injured. The latest development in Williams' legal saga further decreases his already slim chances of playing for Memphis this season. The fall semester began August 28, and Williams is not enrolled. Although he has spent time in Memphis this summer, he has not formally joined the program in any official capacity. Coach Penny Hardaway said last week he was still in wait-and-see mode with Williams. He was non-committal when asked whether there was an avenue for Williams to join the team, even if legal issues are still pending after next week's preliminary hearing. All right, I'm just cut it off from there because that's pretty much repeating what he said last week. When they opened up the park, Timely Park. All right, man. So here's the thing, man. Here's the thing. A bold prediction on this from me. You can disagree. That's fine, man. And if I'm wrong on it, I'm wrong. Oh well. Whoop de whoop. Won't feel bad. I don't know if this guy can join the program this season, bro. I don't know if he's gonna join this program this season, and I don't know if he comes to Memphis at all. Even if this stuff doesn't work out, I think he goes to the G League and go from there, and he'll probably get to the NBA eventually. I hope that's the case for him. I hope that's the best outcome from him. I think this situation gets resolved. Be based on this. It's his team, his legal team, his representation. Troy P. Owens continues to find information. And this is like a smoking gun right here. I got it highlighted. Troy P. Owens, his attorney, asked for and was granted a continuance based on the new information that has been released. So that's like a giveaway right there that he is possibly going to settlement with this case. And even though he may miss time, now on the court, valuable time on the court, valuable time with the team. Priority right now, man, is to get your name cleared. You know what I'm saying? And Penny Hardaway, pretty much stated that this part of the situation was out of the school's hands. This is what it is. You know what I'm saying? It's out of school hands, out of his hands. He can't do nothing about this. But they're gonna stick to this guy. They're gonna stick with this guy until they feel as though, that's the time is running out. They feel as though there's nothing there's nothing else they can do. You know what I'm saying? But I'm not sure that I'm not confident that he will build this program. Now, as I've stated in the past, in different videos, this team is going to be better. I won't say better, but this team is already better without his presence on the court. DeAndre Williams as well. And people, whoever you listening to, whoever you following on, social media, whatever website you're going to get this information, maybe it be this, maybe it's this one. They're starting to, not feel as confident on that situation with DeAndre Williams. Some people believe it's going to happen, and I'm going to just sit back and watch. Sit back and see how it's going to play out in regards to DeAndre Williams. But in regards to this kid, out of the two, I will lean towards DeAndre Williams coming back to this program over Mikey Williams joining this program eventually. I don't think it's going to happen, man. I just don't. I think he's going to get cleared up. I think he's going to settle. I think October could be the final time that they push it back. I think that's going to happen. I think that's the final time that's going to be the actual hearing in October. On October 10th, I think it's going to be another pushback from there, and I think they're going to settle. He's going to serve whatever fines, whatever sanction, whatever punishment that comes down to him, and they're going to go from there. And maybe he comes up to Memphis, maybe he doesn't. But Penny Hardaway is sticking by the guy. He's sticking by the kid, which I think is good. And I just find it interesting that they cannot find a way for him to play while the situation is going down. While the case is still pending. They don't want to. He's kind of, Penny Hardaway and the school is kind of like non-committal on this. They kind of been hush-hush on the situation right here. You see? I gotta highlight it. He was not committal. Penny was not committal when asked whether there was an avenue for Williams to join the team, even if legal issues are still pending after next week's preliminary hearing. Now, if he was a professional, like in the NBA or NFL, baseball maybe, he would be allowed to play. Because they've had players, that have committed crimes, transgressions in the off season, and they've been allowed to play. Even though the case is still pending. I followed the New Orleans Saints and all that. And Alvin Kamara's situation was dragged out for a while. It kind of his legal team in there, kind of like asked for the trial to be pushed back, and Kamara ended up playing the entire season, and he didn't get punished till this upcoming season. And the event occurred in 2022 during the Pro Bowl in February. You know what I'm saying? And they just got to this situation this year, like 2 months ago. You know what I'm saying? So for this situation, man, I don't know. And then another thing is the NCAA gonna get involved? You know what I'm saying? Now, when I say the NCAA get involved, will he have to serve some type of suspension? Some type of, maybe suspend him for 6 to 8 games or 10 games. You know what I'm saying? Even if he does become cleared up from this situation, even if they do settle between him and the people that were, allegedly affected by that situation. Does the NCAA get involved? Did he violate any NCAA, policies, conduct, of the court conduct policies? You know what I'm saying? So interesting to look at it from that point. But Maybe, that's all we have on the situation right now, man. And nothing's gonna change until October the 10th. I think like I said before, I think October the 10th is gonna be the last time that we hear about this in regards to like it being pushed back or anything like that. I think that's gonna be the cutoff. They're gonna come out with a decision. So we'll see how it's gonna play out. All right, so I feel for right now. Give me a like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Let me know how you feel about the situation, how you think it's gonna play out. Also, check out strikesimmersports.com for latest content on the NFL, the NBA, Memphis Tigers, and football content and basketball content along with the Memphis Grizzlies. Have a blessed night. Peace. I'm out. There will also be a Memphis versus Arkansas State preview and prediction post coming out soon on the Strike Center Sports website. Have a blessed night. Peace. I'm out.